In this video, I will be putting 5 AIs, ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude and Deepseek, against each other to see which one can make FNAF clone from scratch. We will be starting after 10 seconds. 10, 9. By the way, each of them has 3 attempts to make the game and make it better. Please FNAF, please don't sue me. So we will be starting off with ChatGPT, and here is our prompts that will be used here. Write me a prompt about making a game similar to the game called FNAF in a contained HTML file that I could play on my browser. And remember that I'm playing on a phone. And so we will send it to the ChatGPT, and okay, it gave us a new prompt. The player is in the security office. Animatronics move between rooms. If an animatronic reaches the office while the door is open, then jumpscare plus game over. Okay, I like what it is giving to me, so then we will turn the thinking mode on and send our new prompt to ChatGPT. And then we will just wait, hope it will give us something good and won't disappoint us like the last time. So after about 1 minute of thinking, it started writing the code. Okay, so now it's giving me the actual code, it's good. So now I will paste it on my file that is named ChatGPT FNAF and open it on my browser. And oh, night shift security, top to start, must stop once to allow audio on mobile. Okay, let's start and give something good, please something good. Light, door, view cam, silence. And as expected, everything is dark. Why does ChatGPT always do this? I can't understand. Or maybe, nah, it doesn't matter whether the light is on or off. But at least it has a power that is decreasing too fast. And I think they are supposed to be animatronics. Ah, what was that? What? I was caught by an animatronic? Okay, let's tell ChatGPT that it was not scary at all. Okay, if we switch to more serious problems then, the game was too dark, please make it brighter. And add a better jump scare. And it was the second attempt to count if we don't count the one in which the code was in unknown language. So it wrote the code. What was changed? Scene is much brighter, jump scare now has full screen red flash, screen shake animation, loud white noise blast, vibrations, sudden face pop-up, and as we paste the code and open the file, there will be start. Yeah, just start that doesn't actually work, as you can notice from my continuous tabs. That's why this time I will resend the previous things, just slightly changed. Okay, now we will paste our last and decisive code to the file, which will, depending on its result, I will rate it from 1 to 10. And what it will give us? 3, 2, 1. Ugh. As expected, pure disappointment. More buttons though. And let's see how the jump scare looks like now. Didn't scare me though, I was kind of ready for it. But the jump scare was more hilarious rather than funny. Phew, I mean rather than scary. Okay, this one got 3 out of 10. Let's move to our next AI, and that is Gemini. To be honest, I have big hopes for Gemini as of my 2 previous videos in which I played the same challenged AIs to make the games, and the Gemini was in the leaders list amongst them. You can find them in the description, or you can just click here to watch them. So the Gemini gave us the prompt. Let's send it back, and we will of course use the pro features, so it could give us a better code. And yeah, it's cooking. The goal: keep the animatronic out of your office until the timer hits 6 AM. Cameras, closing doors and using cameras drains the power. So okay, yeah, it understands the rule of the game, I mean its mechanics. So let's put it in our file specifically made for Gemini, and let's open it. Night shift. Survive until 6 AM. Use headphones. I don't know why, but the main menu sounds promising. I can't wait to start. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Usage, power, open cameras and the cameras. Oh my, they really show where the animatronic is. Right now it's better. It's actually something. Like, you know, it could be the better version of some kind of game, some kind of a new game, not FNAF. And just look at its mechanics, they are working really well, and the power is running down too fast, I think. Let's tell Gemini to add some more details and see what it can fix with that. Night shift, brighter edition. Let's start. Oh my god, just look at its design. I cannot even find words to describe it. Wow. Celebrate, cameras, open, close. And just look at the camera's features. Wait, why is it blinking? Ah, actually not that scary, you know? Ah, can you make the animatronic scarier and add more details? And it is the last attempt for Gemini. According to this final code, I will rate it from 1 to 10. Okay, so it actually redefined the designs and added some more details. But let's see the main things that we were asking for. The jump scare. And wow, the jump scare got to its best. Another texture, darker background. I will give it a 10 out of 10. It's the best for now. By the way, you can tell me your ratings in the comments, because I'd like to know. But for now, let's move to our next AI, Grok. Actually, I don't know much about this AI, so let's see what strengths and not so much strength points does it have. And so many options to choose. I think I should choose the expert mode. Please rotate to landscape for best experience. And what is this? Colored animatronics, and that is Freddy, Chico, Bonnie, second attempt. And after some fixes from Grok, it made something like this. It added the lights, some details, and the power supply is at its peak. So let's tell the Grok about it. And the buttons are still confusing. And the animatronics got a better look. And okay, it got a point for the jump scare. And it will all be about 7 out of 10. But for now, we will move to the next. Second to the last AI, Claude. So we will send the prompt as usual, and yeah, as I have already noticed, Claude can run the code inside the app, and I don't have to open it on my browser. And what is that on the cameras? Bonnie detected. Okay, it has its own unique style. First camera, second camera, Freddy and Chica detected. Cool, but it's pity since there isn't any pictures of them, just the text. On other cameras there isn't any activities. And now they all are in the second camera, wherever it is situated. But let's check the code on the browser, as we were doing it the whole time. There isn't camera button. I don't know why, but it somehow missed something that is supposed to be here. So let's tell Claude about it and just wait. So it already made it. Let's look at it. And wow, I mean, judging the visuals, it's the best game made so far, even better than the Gemini. And it also works on the browser. Nice, and the cameras are advanced too, with the text animation, and now we can see where we are watching, like the main hall, dining area, and the kitchen. The lights also work, and the animatronic got me. Let's tell Claude to make the jump scare scarier. And no, our last code came worse than the second one, because the file happened to be bigger in size and Claude couldn't put it all in one go. The file doesn't seem to work. Okay, if we read the second one and not the third one that ruined everything, I would give it 8 out of 10 because of its details, visuals, some random features, and the Claude's creativity. Okay, so now we will move to our last AI, and that is Deepseek. Deepseek is good because it doesn't have limits, like it can literally write you thousands of lines of code for free. It really is a good one for it, so I always say let's see what it will give us. I will also turn the thinking mode on and tell it the code should at least contain 600 lines, even though it can write whatever amount I want. Let's not overdo it and somehow ruin it. As one philosopher once said, the superiors among you are not the ones whose hearts are full of doubts, even with these capabilities and potential, but the ones who stay strong and get most of things done even with no opportunities. And believe me or not, after about 20 minutes, even more than that, it finished coding. So let's see what it gave us. Security horror. You're the nice security guard at Freddy's Pizza. Okay, let's start. Okay, the time is also counted by minutes. Wow, that's a pretty good feature. Even the official game doesn't even have it. What is that? Is it an animatronic? Yes, that was an animatronic. You didn't survive the night. The right animatronic got you. Close the left door when it approaches. Okay, try again. I mean, let's tell Deepseek to add more details and make the game brighter. Also, the code should at least have 800 lines. And after about half an hour, yeah, literally, after 1 hour and 30 minutes, it finished writing the code. When I said it can write you even thousands of lines, I didn't think it would get that long to write them. Okay, enough of that. Let's check the code. It truly did fix all the things since it wrote the code more than an hour. And wow, it really did add some cool visuals. How to play. You are the night security guard at Freddy's Mega Pizzeria. Okay, let's start. And yeah, it added so many new things here. And game over. But Freddy got you. Okay, let's try again. And oh my, what is that? The animatronics are too fast. I can't even close the door. So yeah, I closed the door, but they are now on the office. What? And there isn't any jump scares, so I know it might sound crazy. Not for you, but rather for me. But let's tell Deepseek about it. Why crazy, you ask? Because for you it is gone on a second, but for me it takes more than an hour of waiting. That's why this time I will tell you the code should at least have 1000 lines. And after I don't know how many hours, cause I didn't look at the clock, the code is finished. So let's test it. And it made it good. Pretty good. The button placements are changed. The animatronics are now more visible. And the jump scare got better. Okay, but the animatronics can still enter the office, even when the doors are closed. So because of that, I will give it a solid 8 out of 10. But this is just my ratings, so let me know in the comments what rates would you give each AI. And this was our last AI. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and also click the hype button. If you want me to do other games, please let me know in the comments. But for now, goodbye.